Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a declutter my children's toys with me type of video. So I'm going to be decluttering and organising my children's toys. It's about to be my son's birthday first, then a month later is my daughter's birthday. So I really wanted to get this done. I always declutter their toys and organise them better just before their birthdays and just before Christmas. So it's that time of the year where I need to clear out to make room for new toys. So yeah, so why not declutter with me? I thought it'd be a nice motivational video for you all. I just thought it'd be great to film. And yeah, so if you are new here, my name is Siobhan and I post videos 3 times a week on DIY, home decor, cleaning, organising, shopping hauls, all different kind of things, motherhood, all different things. So if you do want to stick around, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. And if you do like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get decluttering. Okay, so the first thing that I did was empty the box. As you can see, I emptied it so that basically I have to deal with everything that is in that box at once. I basically thought it'd be so good just to get it all out and get all the it'll have all the dirt that come out with it that I can hoover up after. I then got some bags. I've got 2 bags, and all of the things that were going into the bin went into the bin bag. So like odds and ends that are broken toys and things like that to be recycled. And in the other bag I put in donating stuff, so stuff that is going to a charity shop. Then what I did was I piled up all of the things. So I done a pile for cars, a pile for dinosaurs and animals, a pile for books, a pile for teddies, things like that, because I'm going to later on organise them into my collect boxes so that I'll have one category of toys in each box so that it's basically easy to find and play with for my children. So that is what I did all the way throughout. So yeah, I'll let you watch me declutter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you that's been completed is this star toy box. I did used to have really big cars in there and they would overflow and it just looked really messy. So what I've done is I've just put my son's blanket over the top to make it look neat, so you don't see what's in there and it looks neat when you finish tidying. So in here I have got big car, like the medium-sized cars. So I just thought I'd put all the medium-sized cars in there. That way it fills it, but it doesn't overflow it. So yeah, that is the star thing. I got this from B&M. It was £5.99, I think, and I got it in one of my hauls. So if you want, I will link below my haul that I got it in. But yeah, I just really liked it. And then when you chuck this on top all neat, it looks really, really nice. So it looks tidy when you finish tidying up. So I got rid of a lot of stuff that were out there and put them in a different area. Then we are going to come over to my kids' main storage, which is this Collapse unit I got from IKEA. It's really, really good at separating things as well. So in this one, it's got all my daughter's dolls, clothes and accessories and things like that. In this one is books. Then in this one here is all teddies. So this is just all pure teddies, nothing but teddies. Then in this one below is my daughter's dolls. She doesn't even play, to be honest. She doesn't play with dolls a lot at the moment, but I think she's growing out of toys, if I'm honest. But I thought I'll keep them because I don't want to chuck them away in case she does want to play with them. So I don't want to give them away. In this one, I've got all little cars and the car tracks and things like that. Anything to do with cars is in this one. My son loves cars, so yeah. But this is my son's favourite drawer. This will be his favourite drawer anyway. And this is all of his animals and dinosaurs. He absolutely loves animals and dinosaurs. And he's got a real big thing for sharks as well. So they're all in there. Easy for him to grab. He loves playing with them. In here is a bit of an odd box. It's got a bit of everything in it, but a lot of it is role play stuff, to be honest, like Doctor's Kit and Mrs. Tumble and all that sort of stuff. But this is for bits that I haven't quite got home, but I can't take a whole box up for themselves because there's not enough of it. And that flash in there is just my daughter's skipping rope. So that just shows you how. And in this one, we've got more books. My daughter, my son love reading time. So as you know, because we have a reading corner. But yeah, so loads of books, which is always good. These are the bags that I have done for giving away. And I've also done a little bag of things that are not, that are actually bin stuff because they're bits and bobs of little bits of things. So they will be recycled, and these here are going to the charity shop. So quite rid of quite a few things, but without it being, you know, it's all stuff that my children don't play with no more, so it doesn't really matter. They won't mind that they're gone. They've got enough toys, to be honest with you, and it is going to be their birthdays. We've got this here, which really annoys me, but he does still play with it sometimes, but I think he's going to stop playing with that soon because he does, but he sort of doesn't, if that makes any sense. So we'll see how we get on with that. I didn't want to get rid of it in case he does want to play with it. And then coming down here is the big Heidi box that's in my living room, and it's just really good because it matches my furniture, matches my sofa. And so at night time, apart from that, but at night time, when I put the kids to bed and I tidy up and tidy all the toys away in the front room, it's like not so obvious that there's loads of toys in my front room. So in here, what I decided to do was use the space for all the big, long trucks and lorries and the Nerf guns and things like that, because I didn't have a box or a thingy big enough that, like I said, it was in the star basket, and it just looked messy. So I thought I'd put them in the big box, and my son still plays with all these and my daughter plays with the Nerf guns. So I just thought, use the space well in this box and use it for the bigger toys. So that is that. Moving on over to my son's train table. This is an eyesore in my front room, but he likes playing with it, and to be honest with you, it got a bit of a mess on the top as well, and I've just sorted all of that out because, and he was basically in this drawer, he was pretty much throwing every toy, and so was I was throwing every toy in there, you know, I'll just get it out of the way, put it in there sort of thing. But actually now I've restored it back to its natural habitat. Is that even a thing? I've restored it back to it being just a train table that contains just all of his train stuff. So that is all of it, all organised. I put the colourful stuff over here. I've got a bit of a bridge going on there, but never mind. I even stacked the little things that hold them up, just so that it's all to hand, so that he can actually play with this train table. So yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. So that is the end of the video, and I hope that you enjoyed it and it helped you motivate you in cleaning and decluttering and organising your children's toys. I've really enjoyed it actually, which I didn't expect to enjoy. I thought I was going to really be like, oh my God, this is a headache. But in actual fact, I enjoyed doing section by section, and I enjoyed the fact that I emptied it, because then when you empty it, you end up having to deal with it. That's the whole method of it, which I absolutely love, because then I know I'm going to do it. There's no doubt about it. I'm going to do it. So I would recommend that each box that you do, empty it. Just empty it flat on the floor, because you'll also find loads of icky bits in there, which I found loads of bits of food and stuff like that, which was disgusting. But yeah, so I hope that this has motivated you. If you like seeing videos like this and anything to do with what my channel's about, which is DIY, motherhood, vlogs, anything like that, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and that bell button so you're notified when I next upload a video. And of course, if you did enjoy this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.